Okay, so today I will be teaching you how to divide polynomials. Okay, so you're going to write out your problem, which I've done for you here. Then the first step is you're going to get the coefficient of each variable and write it right below your number or variable. So this one is a cubed, and that has a coefficient of 1, so you're going to write 1 right below it. And then this is negative a squared, so you're going to write negative 1, the coefficient of negative a squared, right here. And then negative 19a has a coefficient of negative 19, negative 14 is negative 14. The next step that you're going to do is find this number right here, and then put a box over here, and this will be the number that goes in this box, but it'll be opposite the sign that it is now. So if it's negative 5, then going to put a positive 5, which it is, and if it was a plus 5, then you would put a negative 5 in the box. Then you're going to draw a line over here, and then bring the first number you wrote, this one, down here. And then you're going to multiply this number by the number in your box. So let's draw an arrow there. And then 1 times 5 is 5, and you'll write that right here. And then you add this number and this number together. So negative 1 plus 5 is 4. And then do the same thing you just did until you get to the end. So 4 times 5 is 20. You write that here. And then negative 19 plus 20 is 1, which you'll write right here. And then 1 times 5 is 5, which you'll write there. And then negative 14 plus 5 is negative 9. The only thing left that you have to do is put that into an equation. So you're going to get your first parentheses, then you're going to bring this number down to make 1, and then you normally put a cubed to make 1a cubed, but for this equation, the power of the variable has to be 1 less than the one above. So instead of a cubed, it would be a squared, because 3 minus 1 is 2. So 1a squared. Then for this one, you use this number, not the one on the top, only this number. So it's a positive 4, so you're going to write plus 4, and then instead of a squared, it would be a to the first power, so just a, so write 4a, and then plus 1, except instead of a to the first power, 1 minus 1 is 0, so there would be no variable there, so it would just be plus 1, and then you always leave out the last number. Don't include the last number in your equation, so finish that up, and then